Give away Windows Desktop a BMW-inspired look with Mac-style minimize animation, a glass effect, and more. Check my video description for this download link. Download the wallpaper from official BMW wallpaper site and convert it to PNG. And then check my video description for this code download link. Select assemble the mod.cpp. Click on this and select copy raw file. See done. Download this WinHawk. Once you download done, just double click to install. Now select create a new mod and select begin coding. Just backspace all these codes. Using Control press 8, select all and backspace this. Paste the code we copied. Then select compile mod. Once this done, you can now just close stuff here. Right click on the taskbar and select taskbar settings. Set this to search icon only. And then close stuff here. Select the wallpaper and select set as background wallpaper. Once done, the final thing you need to go to search menu and type WindHawk. Click on open the WindHawk application. Just close this code and get back. Exit editing mode. Now go to explore. In search for mods, type macOS minimize animation, select details, select install option, select accept. Once this installation done, whenever you minimize, it shows macOS style animation. The final look, you need to right click on the desktop, select view and select show desktop icons.